Funny thing about Willem Dafoe, his name kind of sounds like a frog talking to a parrot. Willem Dafoe! Willem Dafoe!
Imagine the heads of two Irish babies. Let's call them... Meow. Honka honka. Bong. It's Bogda. Cow.
Why are you here right now?
Bong.
Peace him out.
Oh. Goobity, 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 goobity. Totally.
I'm probably saying some political stuff right now to sound smart.
I'm probably referring to some snooty podcast to sound even smarter.
I'm probably saying something in French.
Sorry, buddy. Wish I could help you. My hands are tied. Oh, no, wait. That was last night. I have a whip guy.
Ted, you will bring no dates to this wedding. You will hit on drunk bridesmaids with actual size Barney. Boing!
Bah
Well, what up?
means bah.
What's up, New York?
Suits. Bang, ping, pow, godong. Chang. X.
We're familiar with it. Why?
That time I was just messing with you. Chaka, chaka.
What's up?
So my dog keeps going.
Shing. Oh, that's a...
You sent a wang out and you got a wang back. It's a boomerang. Oh, perfect week, perfect week, perfect week. Grow up.
Oh my God. Ronnie, how do I... Oh my God. Okay.
Use your words, Ted.
Oh, jeez. Such a goddamn...
That's where all the... happens.
My heart is pounding. I'm hearing this weird clicking noise.
Thank you!
I smell hair. I smell hair.
Pan story bon maye. Pan story bon maye.
Doonch, 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 doonch.
Lily, you squeaked? She said something about me, didn't she? Come on, spill it, Red.
I want to blow off the ball.
And they're all 100% vegan.
She wasn't there. I left a voicemail.
You left a voice, but it wasn't male.
It would not be smart if we got together. I mean, I'm looking to settle down. She's looking for all...
Well, you done? Great.
You called, went, and hung up.
I was at the...
Doing a little...
Maybe I did oversell you a bit. I know what they've been fighting about.
Jeanette is a big Marilyn Monroe fan.
There you go. Now it's working.
Here at the center, we have a very strict no alcohol policy.
Actually, he had 2 accidents, if you got the fact that he...
Hamana.
I'm 90% sure that guy you were talking with used to be lead singer of the Spin Doctors.
Barney!
Emotions and memories and... Geez, Lily, it's like you have a butt on your chest.
Fourth fry he took was an accidental curly.
That's her turkey key.
Belize was amazing.
Lily got food poisoning from some soup. And then I ate the soup exactly 3 hours later, which means I can see exactly 3 hours into my future. And it doesn't look good. But then I realized a man can do a lot of living in 3 hours. I love and believe in you too, baby.
Scoping. Scoping.
Man, you're a dork. Beep boop, beep boop, beep boop, beep boop, boo.
You okay, sweetie?
Actually, baby, my throat's a bit sore. You're quitting, Dollface. I know I don't normally call you Dollface, but it kind of works in this voice. Dollface.
Tell us! Tell us!
Stalker Ted alert. Repeat. Stalker Ted alert.
Because X marks the spot.
If you think people liked your show, they did not. An event of the persuasion. That key, madam, buys my silence. Good day to you both.
Yo ho ho and a bottle of rum.
We have a sex tape hidden somewhere.
Okay, that's been going on a while.
Only way I know how.
Blah-bitty blah, wickety wah, eeky, 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 wee.
Just a
Hi. I missed you and your hairstyle so much.
I missed you too. I can't wait to show you how much in bed tonight.
Okay, that's creepy.
Don't break character.
You guys are watching?
We sure are, sweetheart, and you look fabulous.
Ted, you've been going at it real hard. Why don't you take a breather and I'll drive us home?
Hey, Robin. It's Teddy Bear. Need a little honey?
Let your boobies show.
I work so hard to set the mood, and when I see those, I feel the egg go right back up my fallopian tube. Boogity-boo! They are hand embroidered with the world's finest silk, and each one takes months to make. I cannot emphasize how much work goes into. Oh my God, look, I just got a text from Robin. It says,
2 months. My balls were blue.
It can't sound like that. It can't.
I know that noise. I've heard it through the walls. I thought the neighbors had a sick cat.
And now, the 11 o'clock news with Don Frank.
bro, you're killing it today.
Ay. Boom. I'm gonna teach you how to live.
There are so many great things to do with the human mouth. Why waste it on talking?
Good night. Thanks a lot. I had a great time.
Wallum. Defoe. Wallum. Defoe. Wallum.